I'm sorry, ma'am. It's all the coffee. Bolly Babes, welcome back. If you're new here, hello and welcome. We're gonna go thrifting today. I'm back at Goodwill. Obviously not the same one I went to last time because we saw what happened there. I'm back at another one. This one actually is much bigger than the last one I went to. Oh, and I got a fancy new mask thanks to my big sister. So check this one out. This is pretty cool. And let's get out of here. Like guys. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just shooting YouTube videos. That's all right. Now on to the bags. Well, the sales floor is the sales floor.
Yes, it does. Clean it up with Tarnex.
With what?
Tarnex.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a gravy dish. Looks cute. Clean it up, really. I'm serious. Don't use anything else except
Besides Tarnex?
yeah. Clean silver.
Oh, okay. We are done because my ears hurt and I think I've shopped till I drop, so let's go home. So that was real fun, you guys. TBH, I got some clothes, but I think I'm most excited about that millionaire mug I got. Like, Hold on, let me get it real quick. I also Googled this to see if there actually is such a thing as $1 million bill, and there isn't. But manifestation, if I see this every day, it was only like 99 cents, which is even better. Yes, well all right, let me pack this back up. I also got some really cute little purses. This one, very like 90s style, vintage, like prom type of bag, I would say. And I got some for my best friend. I hope she doesn't watch this video yet, but look at how cute. This is so cute. I love you, Doris. And I also did get this little baggie right here. This is also very like beaded prom wear, I would say. Anyways, again, cheers. Thank you so much for watching. I always love and appreciate all of you. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And as always, I will see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.